How to get free dice in Monopoly Go. So hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can get free dice. And there are various ways to get free dice, and one of the method is that you complete your daily task. Like this one, I would just click on collect and I would be able to collect the dice. By completing daily task, you will be able to get free dice. The other way is that when you get additional shield, except for the 3 shields that you already have, you would be getting 1 extra dice for every extra shield that you will get. And the other way is that when you click on your level, you will be able to see that whenever you will reach the next level milestone, you will be rewarded with free dice. Now let's see another way, and it is when we complete the landmarks, all the landmarks of a particular place. Like the 15 landmarks of London has already been completed. Now I need to complete 15 more. After that, I will be rewarded free dice. And these are some ways that you can use to get free dice on Monopoly Go. And these are absolutely legitimate and free. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.